Hey guys! Today is meal prep day. I love having everything ready to go for the week. It just makes those busy nights so much easier during the week and really helps keep me on track for not eating out. Today we're going to wash and cut up all of our veggies. We're going to make a veggie meat sauce and some salsa chicken. We're going to do a few breakfast options as well. We're going to make some mini muffins and some hard-boiled eggs. Everything that we're going to make is super easy. The salsa chicken, you can do so many different things with it. You can put it over rice. You can put it on a salad. You can make the salsa chicken bowls. You can put it in a wrap. You can do really anything with it. You can put it in tacos. The sauce, same thing. You can do it over pasta. You can make it with chicken parm. You can do it with meatballs, lasagna, anything like that. And this recipe that I made 4 large mason jars of it. So I put 3 in my freezer and then I put 1 in my fridge, so I have it for this week. I really try to do that when I do this meal prep. A couple of different things I like to do every week is I like to make bigger batches of items, so I'm only doing the work once and then I store the rest in my freezer for later on. Now we're gonna make our veggie meat sauce. You can really do this with whatever you want. I use up veggies that I have left over in my fridge from last week that are usually only a small amount of something. So I cut up some carrots, I had half a zucchini left and used up some onion, added some ground beef, some tomato sauce, some tomato paste, and good to go. So this is everything that we have now for the week, so it's super easy to grab and keeps us on track. If you like this video, please subscribe.